In this video, we're going to show you the footage that we recovered from a camera that was broke in one expedition that we did 2 years ago in Punta Mita, Mexico. When we went out in the ocean, for me it was the first time that I was trying to catch a yellowfin tuna. I went down there like around 120 feet, 140 feet more or less, and I was using the bank guns because the pneumatic guns wasn't allowed in that area where we was fishing. Over the shoulder, the yellowfin tuna appear above of me. If I would have my pneumatic gun, for sure I'm gonna get one of those, but I'm missing. Diego is very familiar with band guns. He went down there again in the second try. This time I was holding the camera and filming him. He went down to around 140, 150 feet. It get to a point that I couldn't follow him no more, and I missed a shot when he shoot the yellowfin tuna. And this is what happened. The yellowfin tuna run all over the places with the chaff. He took away his gun, the chaff, the buoy, and everything. We spent like an hour searching the area until we see the buoy floating. One, the buoy was floating. Diego went back in the water with a second gun, and he take a second shot on that. The whole group that was involved with the class helped us to get the tuna back aboard. It wouldn't be possible without them. The members of Punta Mita expedition helped us a lot during this expedition there. We have a lot of very good memories from all of them, especially from Sebastian, who is the owner of the operation there. On a second dive, I was very excited about what Diego did with the yellowfin tuna. It was my time to get one. This time, Diego was filming me. I went down to 130, 140 feet. There was no tuna around, but there was a school of red snapper, I guess. A very big school that came out. I never saw those fish before in my life. I had a good shot of one of them, and then when we bring them back to the surface, it was a very nice surprise for us. It's important to show you that without the floating line as an assistant, it wouldn't be for me impossible to catch that red snapper. We put together a slideshow with some of the pictures that we recorded from that camera. Some of the members are showing in this slideshow. For sure, some of them are going to be showing in the next video that we're going to put together. We're finishing this one here.
Snowflake fractal patterns pulsing with meaning crystallized from chaos into organized forms. Each random pleasure is a hurricane encompassing both power and calm. This synergy is sublime. When the whole is more than, different from the sum of. It is the emergence of love, rising from the ashes of broken promises, truncated memories, dreams extract.
Beyond the depth and into the abyss. Hunting